So some people been quitting LiveGood, but here is 3 reasons why I'm not. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now LiveGood is still one of the most popular online business opportunities out there right now. A lot of people are talking about it. A lot of people are promoting this opportunity, but at the same time, a lot of people actually quitting LiveGood. Right? A lot of people, they've been involved with the company a few weeks or a few months, and they're like, yo, I'm out, I'm done, right? And that's fine. I think it's a little crazy, right? If you actually join LiveGood and then you quit, but everybody do whatever they want to do. But here is 3 reasons why your boy ain't quitting LiveGood. So the first reason is I actually like their products. Now, right now, LiveGood, all their products are in the health and wellness industry, but in the future, they are planning on expanding out and offering different products and services. So I'm very excited about that. But right now, with the current products they have, I'm loving the magnesium product. It really helps me sleep better, right? I sound like a damn commercial. But their super greens, I always put in my smoothies, and you can't even taste it. It's dope. I can't wait to try their new creatine product they got. So like, I'm actually feeling the products. So why would I quit LiveGood if I actually like the products? And like I said, they are planning on dropping a lot more products in the future. Now I believe right now LiveGood has around 30 something products out. Now their plans is to have over 200 products in the next couple years. So I'm curious, like, what are they gonna be? Now the next reason why I have no plans on quitting LiveGood is it's only $10 a month, right? $9.95 a month. I don't even think about that money now. It just comes out my account. I mean, $9.95. Need I say more? All right, and the third reason why I'm not quitting LiveGood is the earning potential. Now, whether you believe in it or not, spillover can really happen. I know a lot of people talk about spillover and they're like, oh, I don't ever get spillover. I haven't got any spillover. It's not real. It's a scam, whatever. But let's be real. All right, I'm going to be 100% real with you. Spillover, you shouldn't join in hopes of getting spillover. And if you're not familiar with spillover is, that's basically where you sit and do absolutely nothing. You don't promote it. You don't recruit nobody. And eventually, right, you're going to get trickle down people underneath you from other people doing all the recruiting. Eventually, they're going to trickle down onto your team, into your matrix, and you're going to start earning money from those people, right? Now, there are some people in LiveGood who don't do a damn thing, and they're earning an extra $100 a month, an extra $200 a month, and they don't do shit. But keeping it real, there's people that have been involved with LiveGood 6-7 months, been trying to promote it, right? Haven't really earned that much, and they're not getting any spillover from the people above them, right? That's just part of the game. The longer you stay in LiveGood, the bigger the company gets, the more members that join LiveGood, the better chance you're going to have of actually getting some spillover. Because a lot of the controversy or whatever is when you watch the LiveGood tour video, you know, you hear the earn $2,000 something without having to recruit, right? That is a real number. That really can happen. It would take a long time, but it really could happen from spillover. So look at it like this, right? You join LiveGood, you're all excited, you seeing people making thousands of dollars and this and that, and you know, you've been doing it a few months and you're not really seeing any results. Right? You're not making too much money, if any money, right? So you actually start deciding to do something else, right? You might jump into Got Backup. You might jump into Nexus Snap that I talk about, right? Or you might just completely do something different. You might start trying to get in real estate, whatever. But you don't cancel your $9.95 membership. You just keep it there. You keep paying it, right? Even though you ain't doing nothing with LiveGood, you keep paying it. Just what if, you know what I'm saying? A year from now, right? Even 2 years from now, the company is just popping. Just say they're at 2 million, 3 million members, and you started getting spillover, right? Because the bigger the company get, the more people that join, the higher chance you're gonna get of earning spillover. So let's just say 2 years from now the company popping, and now you check your back office for whatever reason, right? You bored, you check your LiveGood account that you've been paying $9.95 a month for, and you notice you're gonna start getting $400 a month from spillover, right? Not the $2,000 that they talk about on the tour page that you can max out on. No, you're just getting a little bit of spillover, right? So imagine, drop it down, damn all that. Imagine you're getting $118 a month. Think about that. But you're still only paying that $9.95. Think about that, right? Like, so I'm willing to take that chance, right? Now I'm actively growing my LiveGood business, right? But even if I grow it and I'm not creating all this money like others, they're making thousands. Even if I'm not, I'm still in a position to max out at over $2,000. But even if I don't do that, maybe I'm getting $1,200 extra a month, right? But I ain't really got to worry about that because I promote LiveGood. You know what I'm saying? Like, I do this. You are somebody who is a member of LiveGood and you're struggling and you're seeing all these other opportunities. If you can afford to keep paying that $9.95, like just keep paying it. Give it another year or so, right? If you can afford it, do it. If you can't and you like really need it, then hey man, cancel it. Shit, right? But if you can, I would suggest sticking with it. Now, if you are somebody who have not yet joined LiveGood and you're feeling a little motivated to jump on this opportunity, you can jump on your boys team right now. All you gotta do is click that first link in the description or in the comments, and I will see you on the team.